Anywhere me go, everywhere me go. Anywhere me go, everywhere me go.
Welcome everyone to the Portmore Talent Show. I am your host Ramon, and today we'll be interviewing an amazing artist by the name of Krawbal. Right now we're gonna take some quick breaks, and when we get back, you're gonna get to see more of Krawbal.
Hot, honey roasted. Y'all love off the pics them what we posted. Make married woman want be divorced. Y'all where the foreign one get deported. Krawbal off for the girls like tricks are for kids. Me a Joe grind, some boy a Joe gift. Real gal thief like me name 450. We will take for your gal and do every business. Tell them anywhere me go, everywhere me go. Hot.
Welcome Krawbal to the Portmore Talent Show. How you doing?
Yes, I'm doing fine. Glad to be here,
Now Krawbal, that's a unusual name. I've never heard that name before. It's like I don't know that word. It's not in the dictionary. So where did that come from?
Actually, I'm glad you raised that point. I'm glad you recognize it, that it's very unique, just the name alone. It was actually built for me,
Mhm.
An artist friend of mine, big up Iceman, you know you're there in the world. Big up, thanks to the name. Him actually come and see me a perform like 2 o'clock before day. One like Saturday to Sunday morning.
Mhm.
And him say, see you think tough, you think no normal, and you want a name with us out of this world. Me I give you a name, Krawbal. But when we check the dictionary, when we check Google, it wasn't there. So we give it a meaning ourselves. I would say above the norm,
Above the
man.
normal,
Above the
Krawbal.
norm. Yeah.
All right. So Krawbal, what is your birth name, your government name?
Davian Sinclair. Actually, Davian Germain Sinclair.
Davian Germain Sinclair.
Yeah.
That's a good name right
Yeah,
here.
man.
My name is not so fancy, Mr.
Alright.
Sinclair.
Really like it, man, because actually being an artist, from we little, we always been called DJ because of we initial DJ Sinclair. So it just come across as, ironic,
So, Mr. Sinclair, where were you born and where did you grow up?
Actually, I was born in Manchester.
Manchester.
Yeah, nice place, Christian, a local district named Cuba, Big up to the Cuba people. That's where I'm actually from, but we born there and like reached to Kingston like 87. So we actually grew up in the city, but Manchester I was born,
In a place called Cuba.
Cuba, yes.
So we can expect some Spanish songs. All right. So which school did you attend when you were younger?
Many schools actually. Starting off in Manchester, my first school was this lady in the community. They have a local basic school named Jenny. She passed off. Sorry about that. First teacher. But after that, we go like Christian and Moravian Primary, then taken away, as me say, to Kingston, to Maxwell Park Primary, Shetola Park Primary. Passing the GSAT and went to DQ, Donald Quarry. Yeah, I do the GSAT in at them time that when Common Entrance is just finished and then them
Yes.
change it to GSAT. So I was one of the first with the GSAT, So I actually pass and go DQ.
All right. So you've been called DJ Sinclair from a young age, but what happened that showed you that you had the talent to do music?
Actually, glad you asked. It's just the genres, dancehall and reggae. I grew up in a house where my father always a play music. So me have a father where you might just want to play a marble, but he might listen some Ken Boot or Barry Salmon or Kenny Rogers, and him just call you and say, what this? And I said, no, that him want to play marble, but him take you and take you the time for tell you about them. So till eventually me just start love music, reggae, dancehall, all genres. So the genres pull me to it, but mostly Professor Nuts. After seeing Professor Nuts working so much time, it might sound conniving, but at school, I really wanted to seem like an artist. So
Okay.
Professor Nuts wasn't in my timeline with my fellow schoolmate them. So they would like know his lyrics. So I used to like get him cassette them from older cousin or so
And DJ them.
CD and learn them overnight and DJ them at school. So really and truly I decided start from Donald Quarry.
Professor Nuts, big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
So when you were performing at school, how were you received at that
school,
stage?
Actually, I become like the school DJ at the moment. Yeah, I was like but I said the biggest DJ in the school. Something where people wait for me evening time for DJ. With DJs until the security, the ancillary staff, them I leave the school, them type of vibes, the people used to love it, you know.
So moving on from there, where else did you perform? What other events did
Lots
you
of
perform?
community shows and a few here and there, but I've never gotten a big gig,
Like a big
so to
stage
say.
show.
No, never. But a lot of small ones.
And a lot of small ones. How were you received on those shows? You get
Um,
whole heap of hype when you were in school. So when
yes.
you move out
Leaving
from that,
school, first time launching out, that was a good exposure. It was actually at Barbican and it was broadcast on TVJ. So I don't know if Eagle get the best of me, but it wasn't received so well for my first show, leaving school with a hype and then doing
okay,
something.
okay.
It wasn't received so well, but it only built me. Because after that, we do a show with CD banging keeping East Kingston and that was a rip and from there we have a few more good ones.
So Krawbal, do you have any music videos or recorded performances out?
Lots. Check me out on Krawbal Music, and you will see like from 2017 when I first start like posting these videos. You can see a few videos with me.
A
Yeah.
little bit before COVID.
2017, 2018, 2019. Actually, erase COVID. 2019 was like the pinnacle of the thing where my song I play on the radio and certain things over the think like it might a shoot off. But then there comes the COVID and it take a dive. So give thanks to the place even open up, but now we might can get some real show.
One of the things that has happened in COVID though is that artists got a lot of time to develop themselves. And with the opening back now of the economy and everything, everybody who developed themselves and planted their seeds during that time launching out. So I know you've been working. I know you've been working on a lot of stuff. So we're just looking for the launch out now. And this is
Yes.
maybe the first step.
Yes, thank you very much. That's why you see me so glad for and humble for this opportunity because seeing the place freeing up now, this is the right move for me. I've been hoping for these days, if we can start go back out on a platform, big up to Portmore Talent Show for, this whole thing.
Are you signed to a manager or a booking agent?
No, I'm not actually signed to anyone, but I have worked with many, like about 7 producers in my time of doing this from 2018 till now, but none of them has actually signed me or refer to sign me. It was always giving me a strength to reach the next level. And I give thanks to that. I Focus, Kush Tent, you name it, GD Records, Owner City Records. Yeah.
All right. So Krawbal, I actually admire the way you speak. When you came into Portmore Talent Show today, I heard your voice and I'm like, that's a star voice right there, right? Now, apart from doing music, do you have any other talents that you would say that you are naturally good at?
I'm naturally good at acting, actually. Yes, like where I actually work as me's actually a baker right now at the moment. I still do a 9 to 5. You don't know the music now, I gotta do everything right at this
Big up
moment.
all the
so-
people that must still doing them 9 to
Yes,
5.
actually, me have to big up tastes. Me actually baking New Kingston tastes. So that's how I do. But me just do that for a living, actually. My true thing is always been entertaining, entertainment. So I'm actually an actor, like in a me yard and at work.
All right. So, while in the music industry, you know, there are a lot of young and upcoming artists like yourself and more, and not everybody have a different experience. Not everybody experiences the same thing.
Yeah.
That means each of us have something that we can teach another person.
Yeah.
What would you say that you have learned along the way that you'd like to pass on?
Um, me just have to pass on this then. Me just say, music not set like rain. So you're not gonna really see it make up and say, whoa, see they look like mega boss now. No, no say go. So me dey just advise we as the young artists them or the people them who even younger than me, if you just keep focus. Don't worry about how you're gonna boss. Just develop your craft for when you're boss or for when the opportunity come for boss. You understand?
Good lesson, good lesson. And how far do you want to take your music career?
To the heights where music make for go, Yeah, man, Billboard chart. We are talk like Grammy, all of them something there. Yeah.
All right. We're looking out for that. So thank you for coming to the Portmore Talent Show, Krawbal. We're looking to see you do great and wonderful things in the music industry, in Jamaica and all over the world.
And thank you. My pleasure, Glad to be here. Big
Blessings.
up Portmore Talent Show. LPR Records. Boof, it's the Krawbal representing, though. And if you see me, it's the Roadrunner boss. Hear me and say, man, you can check me out at Krawbal Music on YouTube, at Krawbal on Instagram, and Krawbal on Facebook. And that's Krawbal. For anyone who can spell it. Yeah? It's Krawbal representing. Your eye focus. Why is focus on some foreign money? She run out over enough than man later yet fi say than all sons that we used to nanny. Yeah, right I know what the queen we want see her some dead president head power with money. Yeah, money we say, then I coulda what we say. If you not talk money, then it better you go away. Yeah, money are the topic, money are the target, and if you not talk money, then you're talking. Yeah, money we say, then I coulda what we say. If you not talk money, then it better you go away. Money are the topic, money are the target. All get a youth one rich, and make the money. How often? Unnecessary, everything. Why pre when me work for me things? Them a bad mind, my foot in a me clocks and Tim's get rich it a the plan. Hustlers no give a damn. Big house, Paul and Chris car bag a gal, you might think it is a slang. So me put it in a song. A money move show with the millions, yeah. Money we say, then I coulda what we say. If you not talk money, then it better you go away. Money are the topic, money are the target, and if you not talk money, then you're talking. Yeah, money we say, then I coulda what we say. If you not talk money, then it better you go away. Money are the topic, money are the target. I'll get a youth one rich. It's a Krawbal representing. Your Kush Tent Records, how we living? Got a lot of cars that are girls that are money. Yo, we living well like we win the lot of money. Yo, we do it like taxi, we have the place a running. Road runner, we no wily coyote. Beep beep, anywhere we go, everywhere we go. Hot, anywhere we go, everywhere we go. Shell, everybody nice, everybody up. Yeah, how we living real well. It's like money stacking up, all it on the ground, enough. Any pan rock, loan, push a bun, puff. Y'all run me down like a stadium. Plus, them a say me sweet like a bubble gum. Hot, honey roasted, girl love off the pics them when me posted. Me met married woman want be divorced. Girl where the foreign one get deported. Krawbal for the girls like tricks are for kids. Me a Joe grind, some boy a Joe give. Real girl thief like me name 4/5. Me we take all your girl and do every business. Anywhere me go, everywhere me go. Hot, anywhere me go, everywhere me go. Shell, everybody nice, everybody up. Yeah. How we living real well. It's like money stacking up, pull it on the ground, enough. Any pan the rock, loan, push a bun, puff. Y'all run me down like a stadium. Plus, them must say me sweet like a bubble gum. It's like road runner. Beep beep. Catch me if you can, bet say you can't do it. Run into the bank like say a trap meet. The thugs them up for the cheddar now sleep. Lifestyle, how we living insane. 1 million we a spend pan chain. Like water we drinking champagne. Yo, chop a money sweet down when you chop cane. Beep beep. Anywhere me go, everywhere me go. Hot. Anywhere me go, everywhere me go. Shell. Everybody nice, everybody up. Yeah. How we living real well. It's like money stacking up, pull it on the ground, enough. Any pan the rock, loan, push a bun, puff. Y'all run me down like a stadium. Plus, them must say me sweet like a bubble gum. Anywhere me go, everywhere me go. Anywhere me go, everywhere me go. Your Kush Tent Records, your Garrison, your Warriors Entertainment to the world.